Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the spring tension on the trunk of your Passat. This thing, sometimes when it's cold, I push the button on the key fob and it doesn't open, it just pauses. And sometimes it'll open, it'll creep up very slowly. I'm going to show you how to adjust that and fix that.
Here's an example of how slow it actually is sometimes, and it's freaking annoying.
All right, guys, so just open up the trunk. On the passenger side, on the right side here, just pop these two little tabs out. That will give you access to pull the carpet back and see what I'm talking about here. So yeah, just pull it back from the rubber. Just peel it back. That's all you need, that much room right there. You notice you have 3 holes there in a spring. That spring is your tension spring. If you put it to the left hole, that will give you less tension. If you put it to the right hole, that will give you more tension. So it will open harder the further you pull that spring. All right, so I'm gonna move it to the back spring, guys, because I want more. I want more tension on the opening. So just grab this good set of vice grips, get it down really hard, clamp it hard, use some channel locks if you can, but make sure it's a tight grip. You don't want that spring to get loose on you. So release it and then put it in whatever hole you want. I want it harder, so I'm putting it in the back hole so that trunk will pop open nice and easy for me and it won't get stuck. So yep, that's all you have to do. Pretty easy. Put the 2 tabs back in, tuck your carpet back in first, obviously just tuck it in the rubber. It just takes a minute, not even that. Put the tabs back in, everything looks like it was how it was brand new. So that's all you have to do. We're gonna take this and test it out now, see how good and how much improvement we have made here. So get everything good and tucked in. Let's try this thing out. All right. So now I have the key. I'm going to open it up with the key fob. Let's see. Boom. Oh yeah, much better. It's not ridiculous. It's not flying open super fast or anything. It's just, you can tell it's much, much better, much stronger. Because when it gets cold, the rubber kind of sticks and it doesn't want to open. Same thing when it gets hot. It just different times it happens, and it's really annoying when you have groceries or when you have to put things in the trunk. Please consider subscribing. I appreciate everybody, and we'll see you next time. Check out all the videos on the Volkswagen Passat in the channel.